Hi guys, welcome back. Macaroni and cheese is the ultimate comfort food, and made in the slow cooker makes this dish simple to make with little or no effort. Let's make slow cooker bacon and Gouda mac and cheese. Let's get started. Let's cube pasteurized processed smoked Gouda with bacon. This is a New York cheese and it's 7.6 ounces. So let's cube it up before we add it to the slow cooker. Let's begin adding the ingredients to the slow cooker. First, add 5 cups of half and half. Add half a teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. One tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Mix. Add 2 cups and a half of sharp cheddar cheese. The sharp cheddar cheese is freshly shredded. Add the cubed bacon and cheddar processed cheese. And 4 tablespoons of cubed butter, unsalted butter. Mix thoroughly. Cover and cook on high for 1 hour. After 1 hour of slow cooking, uncover and stir the cheese mixture. If there's still cubes of cheese like you see in mine, don't worry. It will melt and make a creamy sauce. At this point, add the macaroni and stir. Continue to slow cook on high for 45 minutes to an hour, or until the macaroni is al dente, tender, but not soft or mushy. Look at how creamy and rich this mac and cheese turned out. Making it in the slow cooker is a great convenience, especially during the holidays when your oven is most likely cooking other delicious dishes. All right, guys, time to try this slow cooker bacon and Gouda mac and cheese. So creamy. Mmm. It's so creamy, cheesy. Wow. The macaroni is al dente. It's not mushy or anything like that. It is so delicious. I mean, this is just simple, delicious, and comforting. It's amazing. And you get the smokiness from the bacon and the smoked Gouda. It's absolutely wonderful. Mm. It's so good. Guys, you need to try this. Serve and enjoy this mac and cheese immediately to get the ultimate mac and cheese experience. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. Well, guys, stay kind, positive, and see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.